Since 1919, whatever it takes, the problem solvers call us day or night. We listen, we help, and do whatever it takes.
Well, I know my mail carrier did, and I think my granddaughter did, and my daughter-in-law, and 2 or 3 of the friends did. Alice Gradencourt and Judy Mazur said she did. So. Probably more that I don't know of, but I got some great friends and family. Thankful for you people. Just want to thank all of them. So I was at the point where I was about ready to turn it back on. Last Tuesday, I think, he told me I won. His name was Luke. And at first I didn't believe him. And after he even left, I went to check on my daughter. And she said, I asked her, I said, do you think he's teasing me? I couldn't believe it. And when they came, someone named Tom, and he measured last week. At first they didn't think I'd get it for a couple of weeks, and they called and said they would be able to get it in this week. Had a couple rough nights when it got down real cold. And I just didn't. My mail carrier brought me a heater, and my daughter has electric heat upstairs, so she gave me one of hers. And I told my niece from Lacelle last night, I told her it's been so awful because I've been without it since October 5th. I told her I was gonna, that he told me yesterday I'd have heat tonight. Told her I was gonna take me a bath where I didn't have to hurry and get it and get done. I was gonna soak for a couple hours. Oh, thank you, Town and Country. I wish I had some other way of thanking you, but I don't know how right now. But I can't believe how nice the people have been from Town and Country when they have arrived here, and they've all seemed so nice. Thank you very much.
Town and Country Services.